Today's video, we're gonna master the algebra. In algebra, the x is a variable and it is equal to 1x. So just keep in mind that there's an invisible 1 there beside the x. So we don't write 1
just to save you some ink because it's just the same anyway.
You can only add coefficients with the same variable. So the 2 and 3 are coefficients and they both have the same variable, which is the x. Therefore, you can add them, and 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. Same goes as this, 4x squared minus 3x squared. They both have the same variable, which is the x squared. Therefore, you can add or subtract those two. So 4x squared minus 3x squared, so 4 minus 3 is 1. So therefore, the answer is 1x squared, or simply x squared, since it is also equal to 1x squared. Let's try these examples. So x squared plus 2x plus 5 minus x minus 3. You can pause the video to try this one. So the first step in solving this expression is to find like terms. So the x squared doesn't have the same variable, therefore let's just write it down. And next is the 2x. So its like term is the negative x because they both have the same variable, the x raised to 1. Therefore, you can add or subtract those two. So 2x minus x is equal to 1x, or simply x. The next like terms are the 5 and the negative 3 because they're both constants, they don't have any variable, so you can add or subtract those two. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, the answer is x squared plus x plus 2. Let's have another example. The quantity of x squared plus 9x minus 5 plus the quantity of 4x squared minus 5x plus 2. You can try to solve this problem by pausing the video. There is no positive or negative sign in the first quadratic equation, the x squared plus 9x minus 5, so therefore you can just write it down. There is a positive sign before the second quadratic equation, therefore we need to multiply that sign to all that is in the parentheses. So positive sign times 4x squared is equal to positive 4x squared. And positive sign times negative 5x is equal to negative 5x, since positive times negative is equal to negative. And positive sign times positive 2 is equal to 2. And since it's positive, we don't have any changes to the signs. Let's find like terms. So x squared can be added to 4x squared, so therefore it's 5x squared. And next like terms are the 9x and the negative 5x. So 9x minus 5x is equal to 4x. Next is the negative 5 and the positive 2, since they're like terms. So negative 5 plus 2 is equal to negative 3. Let us have another example. So 6x raised to the 4th plus 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 1 minus the quantity of 5x raised to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus 7x plus 5.
We can just write down everything that is in the first parenthesis since there's no sign before it. So 6x raised to the fourth power plus 4x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 1. And then, let's multiply the negative sign to all that is in the parentheses. So negative times 5x raised to the fourth is negative 5x raised to the fourth. And negative times negative 3x cubed is positive 3x cubed, since negative times negative is positive. Next is negative times positive 4x squared is equal to negative 4x squared. And next is negative sign times negative 7x, so negative times negative is positive. And next is negative times positive 5, so it's negative 5. So now all we're gonna do is to find like terms, and we're gonna add and subtract them. Let's start from the highest degree to the lowest. So 6x raised to the fourth minus 5x raised to the fourth is equal to x raised to the fourth. 4x cubed plus 3x cubed is equal to 7x cubed. Next is negative 2x squared minus 4x squared is equal to negative 6x squared. And the next is x plus 7x is equal to 8x. And negative 1 minus negative 5 is negative 6. And that's the final answer. Try this one. 8x cubed minus 2 plus 5x squared minus 4x cubed minus 9x squared plus 10x plus 7 square root of x plus 3x minus 5 square root of x plus 1. To solve this one, we need to find the like terms. So 8x cubed minus 4x cubed, since they're like terms, you can add or subtract those two. So 4x cubed. Next is the 5x squared and the negative 9x squared. So add those two. You can get negative 4x squared. Next is 10x plus 3x, therefore 13x. And next is the 7 square root of x and the negative 5 square root of x. So take note that they still have the same variable, and a square root is equal to a variable or a number that is raised to 1/2. Therefore, square root of x is equal to x raised to 1/2. So 7 square root of x minus 5 square root of x is equal to 2 square root of x. And the last one is the negative 2 and the 1. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. And that's the final answer. And that's today's video is all about.